So let's see just how good ChatGPT actually is. So let's first of all see what is ChatGPT. Okay, what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a chat generative pre-trained transformer, and it was launched by OpenAI back in 2022 November. So to get started, of course, you need to create an account. So go to openai.com or chat.openai.com and create your account. So today I'm going to try to create a YouTube channel using ideas generated strictly using ChatGPT. So in this video I'm going to try to create a YouTube channel name, and I'm also going to try to generate video ideas using the tool. I'm also going to finally try to generate video scripts using ChatGPT. And to do that, I'm going to open a fresh chat. So we open a fresh chat. In the chat, we're going to give ChatGPT some instruction on what we need to be generated. Let's try something like could you write 10 names for a YouTube channel that specializes in digital marketing. I'm going to send that. As you can see, the tool is generating some ideas: digital marketing genius, the online marketer, digital savvy, click, frenzy. These are good names. Let's go ahead. So as you can see, we have generated 10 digital marketing names for a YouTube channel. So I'm going to tell ChatGPT that I like option number 3, digital savvy. I like option 3. Okay, I like option 3. Then we're going to tell ChatGPT to generate some video titles, ideas. Could you write 10 video titles, or rather, no, let's try something first. Could you write a channel description, or could you write a description for the channel? The description needs to be witty and informative. It should also have a call to action. Send. So as you can see, ChatGPT is writing a description for the channel which I have chosen. Welcome to Digital Savvy, your one-stop shop for all things digital marketing. This is amazing. So let's go ahead and try something new. Let's tell the ChatGPT to create video ideas. Great. Remember, this is you're chatting with the tool as if you're chatting with a human being. So could you write 10 video titles or 10 video title ideas for the channel? Enter. ChatGPT is generating titles. 10 proven strategies to boost your SEO rankings. The ultimate guide to PPC advertising, social media marketing 101. How to build a following, etc, etc, etc. You can see all the video ideas the tool has generated. So I'm going to look for one which looks good. Influencer marketing, how to partner with the right influencers, maximizing ROI, the importance of A/B testing. Okay, the importance of A/B testing. I'm going to tell ChatGPT I like option 8. Like option 8. Looks good. Sounds good. Let's try to generate a video script. Could you create, or rather could you write a video script for option 8? Let's give the tool some additional information like the specifications of what I would like to be in the video. So the video needs to be 2 minutes long and educative. It should also contain a call to action, reminding viewers to subscribe to the channel. Let's see what ChatGPT can do here. Send. So as you can see, ChatGPT has already started generating a script for the video title that I chose. among the 10 ideas it generated for me. And as you can see, it's not just generating a script, it's even directing me on how to set up the scene of the video. For instance, open shot of a person holding a laptop with a digital marketing graphics in the background. That is amazing. That is cool. Narrator, that is me. Welcome to Digital Savvy, your go-to channel for all things digital marketing. In this video, we are going to be talking about the importance of A/B testing in digital marketing. As you can see, this is a video script that you can go right ahead and shoot and upload to your channel. This is amazing. But you should also note that this tool, ChatGPT, in as much as it's making things easier for you as a new content creator, it can be tempting to just copy paste the tool and copy paste the script and find a text to speech tool somewhere else and convert the text into an audio, then attach some video footages and upload to your channel. But in the long run, that is not going to help you grow your channel, because there is more to growing a YouTube channel, and the largest part of that being you as a person. We are all unique, and the reason why people will come to your channel and maybe even subscribe